Good day to you. Today we are going to see diodes. So I am referring one web page. All the details I am going to show you from this web page, and then the link is given in the description area. You can visit the link for more information on diodes. The website lists 24 types of diodes, but I am not going to describe all of them. I will discuss only which diodes which are used widely in day-to-day electronics life. But for the sake of completeness, let me read out all those types of resistance. Pin junction diode, rectified diode, Schottky diode, super barrier diode, light emitting diode, photodiode, laser diode, tunnel diode, Zener diode, backward diode, avalanche diode, transient voltage suppressor, gold doped diode, constant current diode, step recovery diode, Peltier on thermal diode, vacuum diode, varactor diode, gun diode, pin diode, silicon controlled rectifier, Schottky diode, point contact diode. In this one, silicon controlled rectifier cannot be called as a diode. Otherwise, all the things there are many diodes. There are few diodes which I don't know what are they. So, but don't worry, I am going to discuss only diodes which are popularly used everywhere. So, let me start with PN junction diode. PN junction diode is made up of semiconductor material. It consists of two layers of semiconductors. One layer is doped with P-type material and the other layer is N-type material. The combination of these both P and N-type layer form a junction known as a PN junction. Hence the name PN junction diode. It allows the flow of current in the forward direction and blocks it in the reverse direction. They are also known as rectified diode used for rectification. There are different types of diodes that use the PN junction with variations in doping concentration. They are discussed below. Small signal diode. It is a type of PN junction diode which operates on low voltage signals. Its junction area is very small, due to which the junction has a capacitance and junction has less capacitance and low charge storing capacity. It enables the small signal diode to have high switching speed with a very fast recovery time. However, its limitation and low voltage its limitations are low voltage and current parameters. Due to high switching speed, these types of diodes are used in circuit with high frequencies. Rectifier diode. Rectified diodes is a type of PN junction diode. PN junction area is very large. They result in high capacitance in reverse direction. It has low switching speed. This is the most common and most used type of diode. These types of diodes are handle heavy current and are used in converting AC into DC. There are diodes available up to 500 amperes or even 1000 amperes. Schottky diode. Schottky diodes, named after German physicist Walter Schottky, is a type of diode which consists of a small junction between a N-type semiconductor and a metal. It has no PN junction. The plus point of the Schottky diode is that it has very low forward voltage drop and fast switching. As there is no capacitive PN junction, the Schottky diode switching speed is very fast. The limitation of Schottky diode is that it has low reverse breakdown voltage and high reverse leakage current. So this is widely used in switching circuits like buck converter, boost converter, AC to DC conversion, high speed conversion. Schottky diodes are used. Light emitting diode, LED. Light emitting diode is also a type of PN junction diode that emits lights in the forward bias configuration. LED is made up of direct band semiconductor. When the charge carrier cross the barrier and recombine with the electron holes on the other side, they emit photon particles, while the color of the light depends on the energy gap of the semiconductor. Photodiode. Photodiode is a type of PN junction diode that converts the light energy into electrical current. Its operation is opposite to that of LED. So this can be used to sense whether there is a light or not. Change of daytime to nighttime or nighttime to daytime can be detected using these photodiodes. Every semiconductor diode is affected by optical charge carrier. It is why they are packaged in a light blocking material. Laser diode. A laser diode is similar to LED because it converts electrical energy into light energy, but unlike LED, laser diode produces coherent light. The laser diode consists of a PN junction where electron and holes combine together in an intrinsic region. When they combine, it generates a laser beam. Laser diodes are used in optical communication, laser pointer, CD drives and laser printer, etc. Zener diode. Zener diode is named after Clarence Melvin Zener, who discovered the Zener effect. It's a type of diode which not only allows the flow of current in forward direction but also in reverse direction. When the reverse voltage reaches the breakdown voltage known as Zener voltage, it allows the current flow. The Zener diode has heavier doping concentration than a normal PL junction diode, hence it has a very thin depletion region. In forward bias, it operates as a simple PN junction diode. In the reverse bias, it blocks until the reverse voltage reaches a breakdown. After that, it allows the current flow through the constant voltage drop. Zener reverse breakdown is called due to the two reasons: electron quantum tunneling and avalanche breakdown. A Zener diode is mainly used in reverse bias configuration. It provides a stabilized voltage for protection of circuits from overvoltage. Transient voltage suppression diode. Transient voltage suppression diode or TVS diode is a type of avalanche diode that protects the circuit from high voltage surges. TVS diode has a capability of handling high voltage as compared to avalanche diode. Unidirectional TVS diodes operate similar to avalanche diodes. It acts as a rectifier in forward bias and surge protection in reverse bias. Bidirectional TVS diodes acts as two avalanche diodes opposing each other in series. It is manufactured as a single component. It operates both ways and provides surge protection when used in parallel with a circuit. So this is the end of diodes. Next we will see transistor. Small circle, we will see what is a transistor, and then we will see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can view more such videos in the coming days. This is Kadal Avadam from Chennai signing off. Good day to you.